Fantastic city view from 4th floor condo looking out over Boush St and Freemason area of downtown Norfolk. Great contemporary living. High-rise condo features wood floors, all stainless appliances, granite countertops, maple cabinets, open floor plan. Panoramic city view from all angles of living, dining, and kitchen areas. Garage parking. You'll love where you live. You are a short distance to MacArthur Center, Nauticus, and other Norfolk attractions and restaurants. Condo is in close proximity to I-264 and I-464.